In this chapter, we will see how to install Arduino IDE. First, go to Google and type arduino.cc. This is Arduino site. Click on software and then downloads. Here, you will find different packages for different operating systems. I am having Windows, so I will click on Windows. Here, you can find contribute and download or just download. Click on that and simply save Arduino setup file. Save. See here, it is downloading. After downloading setup file, start installing it simply by clicking next, then install, and here installation starts. After successful installation of Arduino software, finally you will get Arduino shortcut on desktop.